Hi, I'm Alicia.
My name is Chelsea.
My name is Rachel Doherty.
And today I want to share with you everything I got in my most recent Annmarie order. It just came in the mail. I haven't even taken it out of the box yet. I wanted to share with you what I got and why I got it. So let's take a peek.
The Botanical Hydration Mist. I have to say, this is hands down my favorite product. It's got Immortelle in it, and it is one of the best anti-aging ingredients you could use for a toner. It also has a blend of chamomile, frankincense, so it gives that sweet, peppery scent. It's just very awakening, a blend of botanical hydrosols. It's just so lovely. Like, it feels like a veil of antioxidants when you put it on your skin.
The citrus mint cleanser is just one of my favorites. The citrus scent to it is just phenomenal. It makes my skin feel really fresh, awakens all of my senses.
This fruit ceramide eye serum is so amazing. All skin types. It is a serum, so it looks a little bit creamy. It is super hydrating. It illuminates the eye area like instantly. It has pineapple derived ceramide, so that mimics the lipids that are naturally found in the skin. So it's amazing. It like locks in that moisture. It has sake peptides, gives a little bit of an energy boost to the skin. And then it has the lingonberry plant cells, which is amazing too, which is packed with polyphenols, vitamin C, vitamin E. Very, very amazing product. Thanks so much. Have a great day.